Alrighty guys, it's time for another silver update. So let's dive into the charts. As you can see right here, this is the daily time frame for silver. Now, of course, what you're going to notice right away from last week's update, if you've been following along, you'll see that we broke out of our pennant, and now we are coming for a standard touchback on our major consolidation pennant that we've been in now for months at this point, all the way back since really the end of January when we had our drop from $120 per ounce. So this is a really good sign. We had talked about how we probably either this past week or this coming week we're going to see some kind of move here, and of course now we have. Now of course overall price action is just generally very steady. There's not a whole lot going on still, right? It's kind of boring, but this break is significant. Now you can see that on this daily here, the RSI is kind of tracking to do the same thing, right? It's looking to come back, do a touchback on the RSI EMA line, that yellow squiggly line that's going through there, and then hopefully we see a lift off from here. Now, of course, none of this is guaranteed still, guys, but we do want to stay on the upper side. Even if price drops and forms newer lows, we still want to stay on the upper side now of this resistance line, that green line that is coming down, which we have taken over at this point. And of course we did even sweep below, now bounced back up on our very last close there on Thursday for the week. So this is good. We like to see this. Now I'm also going to note here, and I didn't actually show it, but I do think it's important and worth knowing, our MACD, we did have a crossover from zero, but on that crossover, guys, we didn't get a lot of solid price action upward, right? We want to see explosive moves upward with price as MACD crosses zero, and that didn't happen. So this is a little concerning. I mean, there's some debatably, arguable, okay, bearish, maybe bullish kind of things going on here with different indicators. So it's just something we need to keep our eye on, but we definitely don't want to bottom out from here and go back in below our purple, below our red, support line that we had held now for some time. That would not be good. Now I do want to flip over here really quick. One second. This is the weekly time frame. Okay. Now we talked about this before last week as well. The price action, you could just ignore. It's too hard to read. Of course, I'm not trying to show you anything there. The big thing is the RSI at the bottom. Now, as of a couple weeks ago, we did actually form a trend line here. We have 3 points of contact going up. I've drawn the red line going upward. This is now our bullish trend line. Of course, if we break now below this line, that would be a very bad signal. The longer the time frame, the more important something is. So the fact that we now do have a trend line, if we break this to the downside, that would be a big potential problem. But overall, guys, other than that, I mean, everything